What are you using to season your meat? In this video, we are going to show you how generations of Haitians and people from the Caribbean have seasoned and marinated their meat. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valme, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. In our videos, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you are new to our site, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video. And also don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated and notified when we add new content. All of the links we will mention in this video you can find in the description below. Now don't forget to stay till the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. You want to make sure you chop everything up. So you want to chop your green peppers. Then you want to chop your red peppers. And you want to chop your onions. And then your celery stalks. Your green onions. And your parsley. You want to also chop up your cilantro, our garlic, and your thyme. I just removed the stalks, the woody stalks off of them. And I've also chopped up the cloves as well. And last but not least, the chives. Now once you have everything chopped up, now you want to add the onions. You want to add the onions in the blender. Add the parsley. Oops. And you want to add your peppers. I'm going to start with the red pepper. And then I'll add the green pepper. Now, I'm not going to add all of the green pepper. I'm just going to add half of that right now. And then I'm going to add the cloves. And now I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And now I'm going to blend the first half of it, and once I get a good consistency down, I will add some of the oil. And then I'll add the rest of the ingredients and continue to blend. At this point, I'm going to add the salt. add the chives, the green onions, I'm going to add the rest of the green peppers. I'm going to add my cilantro. And also I'm going to add my celery. And I'll add some of the olive oil. And at this point, I'll blend it again, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. At this point, we are almost done with our epis. Now I'm going to add the 2 chicken bouillons. I'm going to add our garlic. And I'm going to add our thyme. Try not to add the woody part of it, this woody stick. Okay, and then now I'm going to add the remainder of our olive oil. And I will blend it some more for it to get a consistency of a pesto. And here we go. And now our epis is done. The next step is to bottle the epis. The next thing is we're going to bottle the epis, and the best way to do that is, like I mentioned, on a spaghetti sauce bottles. Use a spoon to get the rest of this out. Clean off the top of this bottle. We are good to go. That's 2. So we have 2 bottles of Epis that we're going to be using to season meat, or sometimes we add it to different recipes, and in the shows to come I'll be using these, so now you have the recipe. Now for the 3 tips to making amazing Haitian Epis. Tip number 1, save your spaghetti sauce bottles, clean them out, and you can use them later to store Epis or other seasoning. Tip number 2, depending on who is preparing the seasoning, sometimes spicy peppers are also added, such as Scotch bonnet peppers. All the ingredients are added to a blender and is blended in the form of a pesto. Tip number 3, the seasoning can last up to 2 to 3 months in the refrigerator or longer depending on the ingredients that are added. You can also prepare the seasoning, then freeze portions of it to use later. The acid in the seasoning helps keep the ingredients from spoiling. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet. Please don't forget to purchase the new book on Amazon and come back to our YouTube page often, as we'll be posting different techniques and discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.